Okay, so the whole concept of space saving and the way you can utilize your home much better. I've been thinking about it for almost 10 years now when I bought my first house. But unfortunately, during that point in time, there weren't these many options available, firstly in India, and also there was a little bit of a doubt in terms of whether it would work. You know, those hydraulic mechanisms and, you know, overall the engineering part of it, we weren't sure of it. But this being my second house, and it is a 3 BHK, so it's not that it's a very small place either, but I have a 2.5-year-old, and I just wanted to ensure that we have as much space as possible for him to run around and, you know, have as much space within the home as possible. And on the internet, that's how I actually got to know about Invisisblebed, and then I went on their site, saw a lot of their great videos on YouTube as well as on their site, and I think they have like a 4.8 on 5 rating on Google reviews. I went through each review, so, you know, that gave me the confidence to first reach out to them. I did see that there are some other global competitors in India as well, but their pricing is going to be exorbitant. And I thought, why not give a chance to an Indian and a bunch of Indians who are behind him, who are trying to, you know, do this for the larger, you know, masses here. I think it is cost effective, space saving, and overall I think they have actually exceeded my expectations from the output side of things.